Hello everyone, you're watching Cool Minds-Neel Maniar and I'm Neil. Today's video is going to be on one of the most asked questions in the computing world. Is mathematics required for computer science? A short and sweet answer to this question is yes and no. Maths is a key component for understanding and doing well in computer science. The entire subject is built on foundations of mathematics with its core applications lying in data structures and algorithms, artificial intelligence and machine learning, cryptography, design, and more. Computer science is about problem solving, and mathematics gives a way to reason clearly, express ideas symbolically, and verify that situations are correct. Mathematics also strengthens analytical and abstract thinking, which allows computer scientists to better analyze patterns, optimize performance, and predict system behavior. Now, imagine this. When faced with a mathematical problem, what do we do first? We read and understand the question carefully, analyze what it really wants to do, and then step by step derive the solution, right? It is exactly how problems are solved in computer science. We have to analyze the data, code, debug, and tweak according to the problem. This supports the very fact that computer science and mathematics are deeply interconnected. Fun fact, one of the pioneers of computer science, Alan Turing, was a mathematician by profession. He developed the Turing machine, a mathematical computer designed for cryptography. Also, the greatest award in computer science is the Alan Turing Award, named after a mathematician. Now, talking about certain specific computing fields and its interrelation with maths. The foundation of algorithms and logic is powered by set theory, mathematical proofs, number theory, and more. Artificial intelligence and artificial general intelligence uses calculus, linear algebra, statistics, and more to train and test models and data. If you want to learn more about models, I've made a video on large language models and small language models to check that out. Computer graphics and games use coordinate geometry, classical geometry, shapes, trigonometry, and more. So, long story short, different branches of mathematics power different use cases within computer science. It's a diverse field that has many applications. Now, talking about how maths isn't really that important. One of the biggest reasons is that programmers do not rely on insanely high level topics of maths or hardly use mathematics altogether. The majority derive inferences from the subject rather than wholeheartedly using it. Many programmers are not excellent in maths. It's a fact, primarily because creativity, debugging, testing is required, which has no real meaning in maths. Many fields like web design, app development, full stack development, etc., have limited uses. According to a Stack Overflow survey, over 70 to 80% of developers report using little to no formal mathematics. That's an astonishingly high figure. Programming languages are, well, languages that use syntaxes and rules to justify their structures rather than pure mathematics. Also, a 2023 survey by JetBrains found that only 14% of developers considered math important for their work. Only 14. The conclusion they gave was, quote unquote, you don't need math to be a good programmer. You need to understand the logic behind it. That was summed up beautifully. Alright, so that was the end of the video. I hope you liked it. Do let me know in the comments below about your views regarding to this topic. It's a very hot debate right now. Uh, so yes, stay tuned, stay safe, stay healthy. I'll meet you in the next video. Bye bye.